Hello and welcome. Today we're gonna do something a bit different. As you might see, we are going to dip our hands into some custom packaging I'm going to do for my fiance since it's her birthday. She loves Harley Quinn, so we're gonna do a Harley Quinn themed episode. Today all we need are some scissors, some pencils, a white pencil for the lining, a stencil of the logo, which we are going to use later, some nice red wrapping paper, and a big piece of black carton. So let's start off with the stencil. Alright, starting off with the stencil, of course we all gonna cut it real nice so we can trace it over actually on the black piece of paper, so we can cut out way more of these diamond shapes and give it that theme we wanted. We are going to cut it off as nicely as possible so we have perfect diamonds. So it's gonna take a while. This is the first time I'm going to perform in my DIY, so please, I hope you guys like it. If you like the idea, then please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know what themes or episodes I should do next. Maybe a DIY series or just a pop culture series based on DIY, how to make, I don't know, Paper Mario characters from DIY. I can do whatever you want, just suggest whatever you want. And of course we are going to have to speed up some of this process, like maybe the cutting or even the wrapping, because yes, I will be wrapping these presents. Alright, now that we all have our individual diamonds, we will trace them on the black piece of paper. I will use a big size of this paper for something else that I'll show you guys later, but for now I'll just use it to trace my diamonds and get as many out as possible, since, well, you know, we all want that diamond logo we all know and love from the character. So I'm gonna trace out some more of these patterns and then you'll show you the end result. Alright, as you can see, I have a lot more stencils. Now let's cut it out. Alright, now that we have our diamond shape, as you can see they're black, we're gonna start wrapping. First off, the coaster pack. these are the end results of the packages. Unfortunately, I couldn't finish them all, but as you see, we cared for it and we had put a lot of love and care for detail into it, in my opinion. And with that said, that's the end of the video. Once again, I'm going to tell you thank you guys for watching. Please leave a comment, a like, a subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on everything. And please tell me what I should wrap next and in what team. So thank you guys for watching.